Number 13. Tim has $2,346 in his checking account. If he deposits a check with a value of $859 into his account, what will be the new balance of his checking account? Now, whenever you make a deposit to your account, the value will increase, so you're dealing with addition. Whenever you make a withdrawal from your account, the value will decrease, so you're dealing with subtraction. Therefore, for this problem, we need to add $2,346 with $859. So let's add column by column starting from the right. 6 plus 9 is 15. We'll write the 5, carry over the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5, that's 10. So we'll write the 0, carry over the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. We'll write the last digit 2, carry over the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the new balance of the account will be $3,205. So answer choice D is the correct answer.